save money on your utility bill and at the same time improve the air quality. Hey, would someone turn that noisy fan off? I can't hear myself think. Okay. Actually, that really is the whole house exhaust fan that I've had in my home for 14 years. I use it to draw fresh, cool air in, cooler than the air inside my home, either early in the morning or in the evening, to lower the temperature, to cool the attic, and to help me save money on my utility bill so I'm not using as much air conditioning. The problem is, it makes so much noise. That was before I bumped into a product called QuietCool. Well, today I'm going to tell you about the QuietCool whole house fan system. It's a system that's taking America by storm. Now folks, pay attention. I've been in the business for a long time, and as you know, I don't get overly excited about most new products that come along. But I have to tell you, QuietCool will change your thinking about the way you ventilate your home. It will reduce your AC usage from between 50 to 90%, and you'll never have a helicopter in your attic ever again. You can say goodbye to that. Wonder who that is? Let's go take a look. Walk this way. Ah, it's the QC guy. I've been waiting for you. Come on in. Oh, and you come bearing gifts.
I'm the QC guy.
I just said that.
Oh.
Come on, walk this way. We got work to do. One of the things I love about QuietCool is just how compact and easy it is to install. Now, while QC guy here is a pro, you serious DIYers will be able to install one of these systems in almost no time at all. Trust me, you're gonna love it. And for you trades guys and girls out there, like the Carey brothers, you should be adding QuietCool to your repertoire of services. You'll find that it will bring in new business and improve your bottom line. Now, I've been using a whole house attic fan to cool my home and reduce my use of expensive air conditioning for many years. But it's noisy and it drives my family nuts. That's why I've invited QuietCool into my home to install the latest and greatest in whole house attic ventilation. I'm going to do 2 installations today. One is to remove that noisy old helicopter and replace it with QuietCool's best, and the other is an installation in the other part of my home that is in dire need of ventilation. Oh boy, I feel like it's Christmas morning. QC guy, aka Josh, has removed the contents of the QuietCool box and it is before me. And so now I want you to tell me, QC guy, what we have.
Right here is you have the QuietCool fan, where you have the motor that's mounted inside the metal housing.
Okay.
Also inside here you have a gravity inline damper. And what that does is allows the fan, when it's off, you get no airflow coming back through the motor.
Okay, so when the fan is running, the damper automatically opens, which allows the hot air to escape. And when it's not running, the damper closes to prevent energy loss.
Exactly.
Okay, so we have the fan that's in this rigid housing, but then it goes into this shiny, flexible ducting, which looks very cool. Tell me about it.
Right here you have the acoustic 18-inch ducting. This is what allows the QuietCool to be whisper quiet.
Oh, very cool. No pun intended. And so we know that the flexible ducting typically will make any system quieter, and you guys have employed that in the QC system as well. So let me get this straight. This fan will draw cool air from outside my home into my home, cooling the temperature inside, improving the air quality, and then it will push hot air that's up in my attic out through the attic vents to cool the attic, which means my air conditioner won't have to work so hard.
Exactly.
Okay, so how does this assemblage get installed in my attic?
Well, this is the main component to the fan. Your fan hangs in the attic by these metal straps, allowing no vibration like your traditional house fan.
That sounds great. What's next?
And next you have the ceiling grill, the ceiling box.
Okay, now you call it a ceiling box, but this could be installed either in the ceiling or in a wall.
Correct.
And would it be safe to say, QC guy, that the dimensions of this are such that you don't have to pull out a skill saw or a sawzall and cut out existing framing and go down and have to buy 2x4s and make a drywall patch? I'll bet that you can cut out existing drywall and just slip this into the opening. Is that true?
Exactly. There's no framing needed.
And how do I know what size to cut the hole?
We have a template right here that's pre-made, comes in the box.
How'd you like that segue? Wasn't that good? Yeah, it's a template, and so I just put that up against the wall board, mark it, and then just take the sawzall, and it's just like that.
Exactly.
Or in your case, you're going to do that. How lucky am I? All right, and this is the decorative grill that mounts on the wall or ceiling, and it's beautiful architectural finish. Let's talk about switching and control. Not that I'm a control freak, but it's really important when you have an exhaust fan that you allow the exhaust fan enough time to work. And I don't want to sit here and wait until the house is cool. If I've got to take the kids to school and run some errands, I can use this. And this is a timer, yes?
Yes.
Tell me about it.
It's a digital 8-hour timer. You have two different features. One is you can use the 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. As well, by holding the button, you can use the hold feature that allows it to run indefinitely until you manually turn it off.
Fabulous. Now you also have an alternative to the timer, and that's this. Tell me about this.
That's a double stack switch. You can wire it along with the timer to allow you to run multiple fans in a single location. Okay,
so I can have one fan on or the other fan on, or I can have them both on at the same time.
Correct.
What else? I see you've got a little bit of a Romex and a box here. What's that for?
The way they make these fans so easy to install is they come with a pre-installed 8-foot cord that allows us to just mount a receptacle in your attic, and it plugs right into your fan.
So what we're going to do is tap off an existing circuit, making sure that the power is off, and then tie into an existing circuit, put in an outlet, plug the fan in. My utility bill goes down, my indoor air quality goes up, I live happily ever after, and well, maybe if Mrs. Carey is up for it, you'll stay for dinner. Let's get to work.
Thank you.
Hey QC guy, what you got?
Right here is your warranty on our product that we stand by, 10-year warranty. All parts are made in the United States. We cover everything for full 10 years.
I have a feeling that I will put this in the file and I will never ever look at it again because the product is so insanely good. So what I like is I've got the remote control by the bedside. That's fabulous.
Definitely.
And I've got the hardwired timer, which is great because it'll go off automatically and my house will be cool. more than anything, I can't believe how totally quiet this is compared to that helicopter I had. Can you believe it? It's absolutely amazing. I'm really glad that I went to the Pacific Coast Builders Conference and took the time to meet the inventor and the CEO of QuietCool to learn about their product and to have their product in my home. It's going to mean a better way of life for me, a more comfortable environment, and I invite you to do the same. It's affordable, it's easy to install, and it'll last a long, long time. Chances are I'll never see this again.